on to dreams. Are you really what it seems, or am I a little Are you really that convenient for me, or am I just lost? Holding on to dreams. Are you really what it seems, or am I a little Are you really that convenient for me, or am I just lost?
Ayo, she said she was a troubled soul. I was on my way to work. She had the type of smile and eyes that made me act on high alert. I used to talk to her. Our conversations were business development, and that made me wanna hit it. But I didn't know how to tell her that. A local girl, I knew her from around the way. Your mutual friends. I think that she was under the impression that good things come to an end, and so was I, making my mark as a producer and MC. Still a little egotistical to girls. I was very friendly, but they didn't know the real me. She was genuinely interested, and when I broke her heart, I think that you could make the inference that I wouldn't ever win again. I gave up everything I had. I'd even give up rapping songs. I gotta apologize to her dad, but yo, I'ma keep it real. I'm trying to have you in that benzo. Even though we ain't speaking, I see that we're still friends on Venmo, but I can't pretend, no, I ain't perfect, I ain't worth it. I'm probably just gonna keep doing me and make these songs that serve a purpose of freeing my mind and finally get my ass up out of that bed. I was sick in the head for her, and honestly I still am. But yo, I gotta get on this train. I gotta get this money, and I'll be damned if I'ma let my emotions take opportunity from me.
Dreams. Are you really what it seems, or am I a little Are you really that convenient for me, or am I just lost?